Welcome to Seal the Deal, where we delve into the world of automotive fixes. Today, we're exploring the top power steering stop leak solutions that can save you from costly repairs. These aren't just quick fixes, they're your ticket to smoother driving and long-term savings. So buckle up as we steer you through the best options on the market, ensuring your vehicle stays in top shape. Let's get rolling and find the perfect solution for you. Lucas Oil 10011 Power Steering Stop Leak stands out as a premium solution for those seeking to extend the life and efficiency of their vehicle's power steering system. This product isn't just a temporary fix, it's a long-term solution. Its robust formula is designed to halt leaks effectively while improving steering response and feel. The design of this product is thoughtful, with an easy-to-use bottle that ensures precise application without any mess. What impresses the most is its quality. Lucas Oil is renowned for its high-standard products, and the 10011 is no exception. It's evident in the way it seamlessly integrates into the steering system without causing any harm or corrosion. Usability is a breeze. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, you'll find this product straightforward to use. Its compatibility with various types of power steering fluids makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of vehicles. In terms of durability, the Lucas Oil 10011 excels. It not only stops leaks but also prevents them from reoccurring, ensuring that your power steering system remains in top condition for longer. The secret lies in its unique formula that revitalizes worn seals and O-rings. Its feature set is impressive, offering benefits beyond just leak prevention. It helps in eliminating hard spots and tightness in the steering, making for a smoother, more enjoyable driving experience. Plus, it protects against wear and tear, prolonging the life of your power steering system. Bars Leaks Power Steering Repair is a remarkable product that stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to automotive excellence. This solution is not just a quick fix, but a comprehensive treatment for your power steering system. The design of Bars Leaks Power Steering Repair is tailored for efficiency and ease. The container is engineered for hassle-free application, ensuring that you can treat your vehicle without any spills or waste. This thoughtful design aligns perfectly with the product's high-grade quality. Bars Leaks is synonymous with reliability, and this power steering repair solution upholds that reputation. In terms of usability, it's incredibly user-friendly. It doesn't require any specialized knowledge or tools to apply, making it accessible to everyone from professional mechanics to everyday car owners. The product's compatibility with various types of steering systems adds to its versatility, making it a go-to solution for a diverse range of vehicles. Durability is another key aspect of this product. It not only stops current leaks but also prevents future issues, ensuring that your steering system remains robust and leak-free. Its formula is designed to rejuvenate seals and gaskets, extending the life of these critical components. At number 3, we have the ATP 205 Reseal Stops Leaks, a true game-changer in leak prevention. The design of this product is a testament to ATP's commitment to innovation. It comes in a sleek, easy-to-use bottle, ensuring a mess-free application every time. The fluid itself is engineered to be compatible with a wide variety of seals and gaskets, making it a versatile solution for numerous applications. Quality-wise, ATP 205 stands in a league of its own. Crafted with a unique formula, it revitalizes seals without causing any harm or degradation. This means that not only does it stop leaks, but it also extends the life of the seals, making it a cost-effective and efficient choice for maintenance tasks. In terms of usability, this product is a dream for both professionals and amateurs. It's incredibly easy to apply, and it works its magic in a remarkably short amount of time. Just add it to the oil, and it starts to work as soon as the engine is turned on. The results are not just quick, but also long-lasting. When it comes to durability, ATP 205 Reseal does not disappoint. Its effects are enduring, providing a reliable seal for an extended period. This longevity is a major plus, especially for those who want a lasting solution to annoying leaks. At number 4, we present the Hapco products, ProSeal. When it comes to design, Hapco products has always been at the forefront of innovation, and ProSeal is no exception. The product is packaged in a user-friendly container, ensuring that application is straightforward and precise. The design of the bottle is such that it allows for easy storage and handling, which is always a plus for those who value convenience. The quality of ProSeal is what truly sets it apart. This sealant is formulated to provide a strong, durable bond, effectively sealing any leaks. Its high-quality composition ensures that it can withstand extreme temperatures and pressures, making it ideal for a variety of applications, from automotive to industrial settings. Usability is another area where ProSeal shines. It is incredibly easy to apply, requiring no special tools or equipment. Its fast-acting formula means that results are visible almost immediately, saving time and hassle in urgent repair situations. Durability is a key feature of Hapco's ProSeal. Once applied, it creates a long-lasting seal that can endure the rigors of daily use. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable solution that won't require frequent reapplications. Prestone S262 isn't just another product on the shelf, it's a game changer. This isn't your typical lithium grease. It's a specialized power steering fluid designed with the innovative addition of stop-leak properties. The brilliance of this formula lies in its dual-action approach. Not only does it ensure the smooth operation of your steering system, but it also addresses any minor leaks that could escalate into major issues if left unchecked. Delving into its design, Prestone S262 comes in a user-friendly container, making application a breeze. The fluid's quality is evident from the get-go, with its viscosity tailored to maintain optimum steering performance under a variety of temperature conditions. Usability-wise, it's a dream for both professionals and amateurs. Whether you're servicing a fleet of vehicles or just maintaining your personal car, this fluid makes the process straightforward and mess-free. Durability is another hallmark of this product. It's formulated to resist thermal breakdown, ensuring that your steering system remains protected for extended periods. This not only saves you time on frequent maintenance, but also helps in the longevity of your vehicle's steering components. Feature-wise, the Prestone S262 stands out with its stop-leak component. It rejuvenates dried, hard seals and O-rings, preventing potential leaks and ensuring that your power steering system remains intact and efficient. The specifications of this product, including its compatibility with various vehicle makes and models, make it a versatile choice for a wide range of applications. And that's a wrap on today's journey through the best power steering stop leaks. We hope you found our insights and tips helpful. Remember, a small step today can prevent a giant leap in repair costs tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that keeps your ride running smoothly. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your power steering in check. Drive safe and see you in our next video where we continue to unlock the secrets of savvy car maintenance.